I'm Kayla with WTI, and I was sick of having a messy, wet countertop right next to my sink. This sink caddy from FixOwl has been an amazing solution for me to not only keep my countertops dry from dripping water, but also just to make sure everything is nice, organized, and has a place to be stored. This sink caddy holds everything that I need right at my fingertips. So whether it's my sponge, my rag, bottle brushes, straw brushes, and even my soap pump, everything is held right here in this beautiful black sink caddy. What I really like about this is it catches all the dripping water from my rags and my bottle brushes and such, because it does have an open or slated bottom, so it drips right into the easy to remove drip tray. This makes it so nice because I don't have to worry about that water pooling up on my countertop. I really love the space for the brushes, at least that's what I use that space for. It has a really nice high top, so the brushes aren't flipping over or flipping out, but they stay right in there. It takes an area of your kitchen that typically looks kind of chaotic and makes it look appealing to the eye. It takes away attention from the mess, but draws it to the elegance of the sink caddy. This sleek and durable sink caddy from FixOwl has been just the perfect addition to help keep my sink area a little bit cleaner and a little bit more organized. And that's my point of view.